Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create flame on effects on Higgsfield AI. So suddenly the person bursts into fire. This is how this effect works. So all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, sign in, and after signing in you can click on the visual effects section. Then you would see the flame on effect here. Just click on it and you'll be brought to a page like this where you would see other video effects, other videos using this effect. All you have to do is to click on generate and you will be taken to a page where you can actually upload your picture and add this particular effect to that picture. So it seems to be having an issue. Okay, I think we'll just wait. So from here we can upload our picture here. Once you upload it, we can also describe our prompts if we want to, then choose the model we want. If we have an end frame, we can also add it here, but this is quite optional. So this is the model we can work with. Well, this is the best model for this particular effect. You can also choose any other model that you think would be nice. If you are going for a video with with audio, you can use any of these Google VO3 fast and the Google VO3 normal, but this requires premium payment, so it all depends on your budget. But if you're looking for a free option, there are only three free options here. The first one is the Minimax Hello 02 fast, the Higgsfield Lite, and the one 2.2 fast. So you can just choose any of them, and depending on what you need, this is 5 seconds 720. This one will give you between 6 and 10 seconds, but it's of a lower resolution, while this the Higgsfield Lite will give you 3 to 5 seconds max and 720. So it all depends on what you are looking for. And once you're done, click on generate, and your video will be brought to you in this area. This is an example of the video I've created using this particular um, website, and you can see how good and crisp the video is looking. All you have to do is to, after the video must have been generated, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make the video. So once your video is created, you can just download it in this area from this section here, and your video would be downloaded. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow our subscriber base. Thank you very much, guys.